Good day, beautiful people. My name is Hope, food editor of Drum Magazine. Today I'm visiting KG, stand-up comedian, and if you follow comedy then you should know him. Let's see what's he cooking today. So what are we doing here? Since I'm here at your place, I want you to cook. What you cooking for me?
Different too. I'm a gamer.
Okay.
We're gonna make gamer foods.
All
gamer
right.
foods, chicken wings, nachos. Something easy to make, easy. Everything is store-bought. You just assemble it nicely. The chicken wings are gonna be amazing. They're special. I double fry them. I make them crispy. My grandmother's secret recipe.
Grandmother?
No, it's not a secret recipe, man. It's got nothing to do with my grandmother, but that's what people say. You know, like my grandmother's secret recipe, so
okay.
That's what's up. You wanna go in?
Yeah, let's go. What's with the chicken wings? What you doing?
This is the thing. I made a dry rub of the spices just for the flavors to infuse. This is my dry rub. This is
Oh, what do you call them? Marinade.
it's a dry rub.
The dry rub, okay.
Marinade is liquid.
Oh, sure.
This is gonna be a problem.
Okay.
And now it's time to preheat the oven at 180. Crispy goodness. I know how to do this because I'm married and I'm romantic. Sour cream.
So, what's the perfect date night? Like, what's perfect?
The perfect date night for me, I've got a 5-year-old daughter, so the perfect date night is anything that keeps my daughter away. And just like that, the nachos are in the oven. Now I keep them in here for about 5-6 minutes. The last thing to do is to throw a little sesame seeds.
Ah, okay, going some Asian way, huh? Just okay, with some.
I was horrible at this, but it's good. There you go, my guy. You can put this in the dining room. We get ready to test it. We get ready to taste it in a few seconds.
Don't forget the nachos there. Don't burn it.
Bit of salsa. It gives you all the layers there.
Ah, look at that cheese. Now you can cook.
This is a good chicken wing.
Yeah.